Hey there everyone, Gamer LSK here, and today I finally got this unit. It's actually a hard disk casing, and what you can actually do with it is actually much great. I mean, more than what you can actually think about. So we're gonna do the unboxing, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, so this is what we get in the box. This is the casing itself. Okay, I'll just show you how it looks in. And here we get two screws to actually hold this guy in. I mean the hard disk. We get a screwdriver and a USB cable. It's pretty neat packaging. There's nothing too fancy or anything like that. The only thing that you can see is all the specifications behind this. It actually cost me around 300 rupees, I guess. I ordered it from Flipkart, so I'll send a link in the description so you guys can check it out. So yeah, let's focus on this guy now because this guy is one of the most important ones. Yeah, so this is what is inside. This is basically a hollow case. It's just like nothing. There's absolutely nothing in there. However, this here is actually the main thing. Okay, you can just connect your hard disk in this. It's a 2.0 hard disk drive actually for laptop ones. So we'll be testing out this one. This is actually my laptop hard disk. So I'll be honest, I lost a lot of data because my C drive got corrupted and I was not able to recover it at all. So because of this, I actually got this one so that at least I can use this hard disk as an external hard disk on my mom's laptop. But to my surprise, awesome thing happened, and I'll just show you guys in a minute. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll actually fit this thing in and test it out. So yeah, it's pretty much simple actually. You just plug it in and then put the entire contraption in here and just screw it down. So let's head on to the second phase. So as you guys can see, all I did is just plug it in and just put it in. So yeah, after this, it's all done. All I do is just bolt it down with these two screws on both sides, and our external hard disk is done. The best part about this was that they supplied you with a screw as well as a screwdriver. So in case you did not have one, you can actually rely on these. So yeah, and the screwdriver is also a good one. I'm gonna be honest, it's not a bad quality, but it's not even that great, but it's really good for the price at least. So yeah, and we are done. I actually did not get it, so I just fixed the screws, but previously this was actually upside down, so because of which it is not actually fitting in, the screws are not fitting in, so I had to turn it around. So now it actually works, and yes, we have our external hard disk. Hooray! Now let's go and test it out. The thing is, testing it on a hard disk, I mean a laptop, is pretty normal, right? So we're not going to test it on a laptop. We're going to test it on a mobile phone that has OTG support, and the result was awesome. Just look at it and you're gonna be blown away. So for the mobile phone OTG part, you obviously need this hard disk with a 2.5-inch one. This is actually 500 gig. I don't know if it's the same for 1 TB and 2 TB ones, but 500 gig works really fine. The cable that is provided with this particular one, and an USB OTG adapter. This is mine. It has been pretty old, that's why it looks really nasty. But given the fact you need to connect the hard disk to this USB cable and then to this, I do know you guys be like, hey, why the hell are you doing that? You can just directly shove in a charging cable, right? Yeah, I tried that, but trust me, it didn't work. The hard disk did not detect anything, and I was like, what the hell? So basically you need to connect it to the USB and then to the OTG. Maybe there are some pin differences, I don't know. I'm not that great of a technical person, so yeah, you have to use these two and not actually the data cable that we get with our mobile phone chargers or any data cable, I guess. So Yeah, now for the main thing. So here it is. It's my mobile phone, an Asus ZenFone Max 4 M1. It's really good. Cheap mobile phone for stock Android. So yeah, I love this. And we're gonna connect this one right now and look at it. So I connected it, and now as you can see the red light is blinking, and I got this particular warning that is reverse charging. Yeah, so when I hit OK, and if I swipe it down from here, you can see database, Otaku Zone, and USB drive. And when I click on Otaku Zone, of course, because I am an otaku and I love it, and let's see, I click on anime series and I click on acquire logos. Don't ask me why the hell do I have Shippuden if I have not watched it, so shut up. And I click on this. So right now the video will start. Yeah, it works completely fine. And the best part is you can actually move data from your hard disk and to your hard disk. So I'll just show you. So this is Java game, Shaolin Jump, and I'll click over here and then click copy to. Swipe it out, and let's say I click on USB drive and I click on copy. So once I click on copy, and once when I go to USB drive, I can basically store all my data into this hard disk. And where the hell is it? Okay, here it is. And I can also manage them, so no issues as well. And I have also transferred a file. I'll just show you by transferring a file, because you guys be like, you did copy a file but did not transfer. So yeah, I know, shut up. So I'm copying this Animax file. So I'll put it in my memory card in the game media folder. Oh my god, that is a lot of videos. So copy, and we go to Samsung, game media, and boom, there we have. And when I click on it, we'll be able to edit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, I'm gonna be frank. I tried with my my dad's Redmi Note 5, and it shows as corrupt disk, corrupt SD card. I think it did not have that limit. So most likely the mobile phones in which specification you've seen that is supposed to be 2 TB or 4 TB, maybe they work on that. I don't know, but as of now on this particular mobile phone I can run it flawlessly without any issues. Let's just delete this one. I do have it. So yeah, oh my god, I do have a lot of videos on here. Mortal Kombat, Smash it, oh my god. Guess I'll have to make another video for that, huh? So that's pretty much it, guys. So that's pretty much it, as I mentioned. So this was actually the review, unboxing and quick review of this particular casing. So if you have an old laptop or anything that has a 2.5-inch drive, maybe an SSD or a hard disk drive, doesn't matter, you can get one of these. It's pretty cheap, and I think the price may have risen right now, but I'll share the link in the description below. You can go through it, and yeah, just have a hard disk for your mobile phone through which you can just keep downloading. Well, that's it. Gamer Alaska signing out. Keep on gaming.